Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S22 leather case you can buy Amazon. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is a powerful smartphone with a sleek and stylish design. This makes it an attractive target for thieves, who are always on the lookout for such devices. To protect your phone from being stolen, you can invest in a good quality leather case. There are many types of leather cases available in the market today. So how do you know which one is best for your needs? Let's take a look at some of the factors that will help you choose the best case for your phone. Galaxy S22 cases are made of high-quality, durable materials that will protect your phone from scratches and bumps. There are a lot of different styles and colors to choose from. The best way to find the perfect Galaxy S22 case for you is to explore all the options available. You can see what each one looks like, read customer reviews about them, and find out what features they have. That way you know that you've found the right one for your needs. Here are OnlyBetterOnes, we are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below, you can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. CLIPPY. Keep your phone looking good and running smoothly with CLIPPY's custom, handmade leather wallet case. These cases are made to last with durable stitching and a sturdy matching grip, so you can enjoy more than just a beautiful design. It also includes a built-in card slot and kickstand, which makes watching videos or movies very easy. We've got a case for Samsung Galaxy S22 that's worth your time. CLIPPY is made from an ultra-thin polymer, which is extremely durable, lightweight, and scratch-resistant. The corners are reinforced with silicone, and the magnetic shockproof flip folio makes it easy to use our case on the go. The inner built-in wallet has a window slot to store your ID and credit cards. Number 4. Good Casey. The Good Casey Samsung Galaxy S22 case is designed with both style and convenience in mind. The case is made of high-grade genuine leather, which offers a great feel in the hand and will last for years to come. It has a convenient card slot on the side that can hold 2 cards. With the built-in RFID blocking, your cards are protected from wireless identity theft. When you use digital banking and other sensitive services like social media, email, or chat apps on your Samsung Galaxy S22, you want to protect yourself from hackers. Good Casey offers a Samsung Galaxy S22 case that's not only stylish but equipped with RFID blocking technology. This case will guard against digital pickpockets who may be looking to steal your personal information by reading the data on your credit cards. Number 3. TUCCH. Looking for a case that will protect your Samsung Galaxy S22 while also including space for all your necessities? Look no further than TUCCH. We offer an unmatched variety of colors and styles to suit your every mood. Get yours today and stop worrying about the shoddy plastic cases that will break soon. We're proud to present our latest product in the Samsung Galaxy S22 line, TUCCH, our new premium pool leather wallet phone case. It's a case with a card holder and it's shockproof. We've also included a TPU inner shell to keep your case safe from any drops. With a RFID blocking feature, you can rest assured that your credit card details and other personal data will be kept safe. You'll never have to worry about your credit card or ID being stolen. This innovative phone case also has a built-in screen protector and a magnetic closure, so it's perfect for any occasion. Get yours today. Number 2. TUCCH. The TUCCH is a premium and rugged case for your Galaxy S22. Made with the best material, it protects your phone from any drops or impacts and can also serve as a stand for video watching, hands-free calling and video chatting. It also has a built-in card slot for conveniently storing your credit cards and cash. And because it's elevated to be screen level, you can freely enjoy videos or browse the internet. Stop worrying about dropping your phone and losing everything. We've got you covered with TUCCH's durable, shock-absorbent, RFID blocking, and credit card carrying case. This case has everything you need for a convenient day-to-day life, a wallet, a viewing stand, and more. Get yourself protected with TUCCH today. Number 1. Cerrazzo. Let your phone be a glamorous accessory. The Cerrazzo Prestige leather case is made out of soft and durable pool leather, which provides your phone with the best protection. It has RFID blocking card slots, so you can pay without your phone in sight. It's also equipped with a secure magnetic closure and a kickstand, so you can watch videos hands-free. Durable shockproof protection, slimline case with 3 card slots and cash pocket. Flip cover with magnetic closure protects the phone. Magnetic clasp to keep case closed, and a kickstand to view media on your phone in any angle. Durable genuine leather exterior with soft interior lining. Never worry about thieves stealing your information again with this cell phone cover made from real leather. With this classy leather case, your phone will last longer and look better while you're on the go.